everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 667 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Kokie Professional Highlights Liquid Luminizer. And this is a product that I actually got as an add-on for my November 2019 Ipsy Glam bags. And I really like the brand Kokie. I like how affordable they are. They're available at Walmart. So this on its own retails for $7. I think I redeemed points to get this from Ipsy, and I chose it in the shade Superstar, but it looks very pretty. This is a good size. Like, there is a lot of liquid highlighter in here, and in my experience, liquid highlighter a little bit goes a long way. And what's also really fun about liquid highlighters is that there are many ways to use them. So I'm excited to try out the different application methods today. Like, one of my absolute favorite ways to use liquid highlighters like this is to mix it in with some body lotion and wear it on the body. But it can also be beautiful as just like on its own on top of makeup or mixed in with your makeup. So let me check this out. It's a unique kind of shaped bottle because in the top here you actually get a dropper. So let me just take the tiniest little bit and do a little swatch of the product on its own. Oh, so pretty. This is a great shade for my very fair skin tone because this is more of like a silver shimmer, I would say. But okay, I did take the tiniest little drop, but now I feel like I can go in with a bit more. And let's see how this builds up. I don't love the smell of this, but it's not like you'd really be smelling it anyways. But that's definitely buildable. You can see how that built up color and shine. I love that. This is very shiny and reflective. Okay, so now that I see how it looks completely on its own, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my cheeks, like where I would put my normal shimmery highlighter. Just do a few dots, and I'm gonna start out by trying to just blend it out with my finger. If it works to do it with my finger, then that's really easy and probably my preferred method. Wow. Yeah, this is definitely blendable with my finger. Yeah, I'm feeling like a little does go a long way. I probably didn't even need that many drops because it's covering a lot of surface, which is great because you can really get a nice all over glow. And it has glow, but it also has shimmer to it. So you can definitely see like very tiny little shimmers to it. Wow, look at how that just enhanced my skin so much. I felt like my skin was looking very dull, but oh my gosh, this like immediately amped it up, gave it exactly what my skin needed for that nice dewy glow. Like, even up close, it looks so good. You know how some liquid highlighters can look very obvious, especially on top of makeup? Like, you'll see a strip that maybe has removed the makeup there, or it's just like, you know, just very obvious that there's a strip of product there. But in this case, it's sitting so nicely on top of the makeup, and you can't really see like a strip. It just kind of glows and just really goes in with the skin. You don't see where it ends in the makeup without the highlighter starts, if that makes any sense. Like, it doesn't look like a stripe, which I love that. It just looks like my skin is so glowy and it's just happening to catch the light since I have these pointy cheekbones, even though I don't. I'm loving this as my glowy highlight. And I'm happy with this shade too on my skin tone. It's got more of like an icy reflection. I am noticing though, I actually noticed it because I have a chickenpox scar right here, and that's what made me realize that this will kind of enhance texture on your skin. So on this side, I actually didn't bring it all the way down to where I have the large pores on my cheek. So that's where I would want to position this. I'd want to stop it before it gets to any texture, because since it is reflective with shimmer, it does kind of emphasize the texture. I'm not sure if you can tell, like, especially here, like my chickenpox scar being enhanced. Like, not that I mind that, but it just did make me realize that you have to be careful if you don't want to be emphasizing any texture with this product. But it still does look very smooth and even on the skin, and it feels soft. It's not like a sticky, even though it's a liquid, it somehow still feels soft on the skin, but it's not completely dried down. As I'm touching it, I am still getting a little bit of transfer. But I'm very happy with this glow. It's very like wearable. It's not too intense, but like you saw, you can build that up, be very intense. But I love this really healthy amount of glow. My skin has so much more life into it now than when it was looking dull. But now something that I thought would be fun to do is to see how this mixes with some lotion. So I just have some Hotel plain lotion here, and I want to see how this mixes with it. So I have a dollop of lotion, then I'm going to add a couple drops of the highlighter, and then I just will mix it together like so. I ended up putting on a lot of lotion. It all came out very quickly, but that's okay. I can have a lotioned arm with some shimmer to it. It did add some very beautiful glow. Let's see if I can show you the difference. Like, it's nothing too intense. I mean, I could add even more drops to it. I feel like I added a lot of drops to it, but it added some glow where when it hits the light, it has that nice shine reflection to it, which I love. You can also kind of see it with my hands. Like, this is my dry hand. This is the hand that had the lotion on it. And you can see like that shine reflection, how it hits the light. And I love that type of glow on the body as well as the cheeks. So this is a very versatile, easy to use, beautiful product, and so affordable. You can get so many great uses that I feel like makes it look like you have on this like high-end body shimmer or this high-end skincare that's giving this beautiful glow, but it's just coming from this $7 liquid illuminator. And it was so easy to apply, so easy to mix in with the lotion. I keep looking down at my hand being like, oh, so glowy and hydrated. I've had a lot of success with Kokie products, so I definitely want to try out more, especially when they're great performing low price point products. Oh, that's like my favorite thing to find. So if you have any other recommendations for products like that, whether it's Kokie professional makeup products or just other inexpensive products that you think perform so well, I would love to hear about that in the comments down below. That's like my favorite type of makeup product to talk about. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.